Charger. It's come off a golf cart. Come from one of my honey holes. And what I'm hoping for is to get a big fat copper motor out of this thing. Big fat copper motor. That's what I'm hoping for. If it's not, I'm still going to get 25 cents a pound for it. For just pure motor weight. So hopefully it's copper and we can recover the copper from it, because if it's aluminum, we're not recovering anything. Nothing. Let's see what we got down here. Whee-yah. Screw turning. Yep. See if it matters. Probably not. It's all a steel box. What do we have here? I'm pretty sure we got nothing but a steel box. I'm not too worried about trying to save that. It's going to go straight to my shred pile. All I want is that right there, and any wire that I can get out of here quickly. Any wire I can get out quickly. Oh, man. I'm hoping that it's copper. I'll tell you that wire there is copper. I will throw this right into shred even with a few nuggets on it, because I'm not going to waste my time for one little piece of brass here or one little piece of brass there. I have 8 of these. 8 air conditioners, and oh my god, a whole yard full of stuff out there needs to come apart, and more to pick up. I should have went and picked up a load today, but I knew that I was going to need my trailer tomorrow for my roofing company. So since I knew I was going to need that to pick up 45 sheets of plywood, The reason why 45 sheets is not that it's a big job, but it takes 3 pieces of plywood for 1 square of shingles. So to make 10 by 10, 3 sheets of plywood is what it takes. It's 15 squares. So I need 45 sheets of plywood. What it is the house is done with 1x6 boards. Nope, shred. 1x6, the whole house done by 1x6. And because of that, I don't like putting roofs on top of that. All right, everybody, let's find out what we got. I don't like to put a roof on top of that. Oh, it's copper. Oh, I'm so happy. That is copper. So I guess I should try to go ahead and get the rest of these brackets off of this thing. There. I generally try to keep just about all the right sizes for anything that you might be working on. These things can be a bear because there's a flathead screw on the other side. If I can just get them loose and knock them out, that's always a plus. Without it spinning, that's what gets you. As soon as that thing starts spinning, because I can't get this apart like that. So I've got to stop that thing from spinning. Hopefully, I can get a grip on it with these. Please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I would love to just do my copper recovery on this and see how that video comes out. I just did the motor, so maybe I'll do this one. Let's see what kind of work is involved in it, whether I feel like doing it or not. Oh. If I can just stop that thing from spinning. It's a flathead, so it's very difficult. Oh, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Flathead. So there. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Shred. Copper bearing wire. Oh boy, let's see what we're left with. And should break right off. Sir. Now, once you got your weld broke, bring it back over to your vise. Open it up. Pop it out. see what we got right off the bat. It's a heavy piece, number 2 copper. 2.5 pounds just for that. Now the big one's got to come off. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. Put that in your prepared steel. I do. Okay, what do we get out of that one transformer? 2.5 pounds. Wow. One transformer. Look at that. 7.6 pounds of number 2 copper. One transformer, that's 7.6 pounds, 7.5. $25. That's $25 worth of copper, people. Look at that. Beautiful. And I got a few of them over there to do. Not to mention all your pieces here that are going to be considered prepared steel, because this is not galvanized. It's going to be prepared number 1 steel. Prepared number 1. That was about 10 cents a pound for this stuff. What we got here on this transformer? 15.8. I'm sure something fell on the ground. 15.8 pounds of number 1 at 10 cents a pound. That's not bad either. So between that and copper, that's a good piece. Wow.